Imagine stepping outside your door and gathering fresh, vibrant herbs grown by you to use in your home apothecary and kitchen. With the Herbal Gardening course from Herbal Academy, you'll learn how to turn that vision into a living, thriving garden, no matter where you live. Inside this course, more than 20 herb gardeners from around the world guide you step by step from planning your space and starting seeds to nurturing your herbs and harvesting and drying with confidence. Most other gardening courses focus on vegetables and flowers, but this unique offering is entirely devoted to herbs for your home apothecary and culinary use, including herbs that are hard to find at your local nursery and garden center, like skullcap, motherwort, and black cohosh, so you can truly stock your apothecary from the ground up. If you love putting pen to paper, upgrade your enrollment with our garden planner. Perfect for sketching ideas, mapping your garden, tracking progress, and keeping notes so you can bring your dreams to life and learn from your experiences season after season. You can also get started right away with our Garden Herbs Seed Set, featuring organic seeds for 8 easy-to-grow favorites. If you choose to enroll with both of these upgrades, you'll also receive 2 free gifts: a practical guide to natural fertilizer and pest control recipes, plus a set of beautifully illustrated garden plans to inspire your layout. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to start growing herbs no matter where you live, even if your space is limited. Whether you're looking to transform your land into a garden or create a bountiful container garden on your patio, you can tend to your green thumb and the herb garden of your dreams with the Herbal Gardening course. If you've been dreaming of growing your own herbs, this is your moment to begin. We'd love to welcome you inside.